Hey there everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel, iTech Explore. This is the place where we explore, create, and grow fast with technology. For today's video, I'll walk you through how to make stunning YouTube banner in Canva. YouTube banner is the first thing that people see when they visit your channel, so it's very important to make it eye-catching and on brand. With Canva, we don't need to be a graphic designer. With tons of free templates, drag and drop features, customization options, you can design like a pro. Whether you're just starting up your channel or just giving it a glow up, this simple guide will help you and look polished. Let's jump into Canva and let's start designing our YouTube banner. So first thing that we need to do is to visit canva.com. So if you don't have any account yet, then you need to sign it up. Sign up right here, but I already have an account, so therefore I have to log in directly. So here's the web page of the Canva, and then the left side of this are its tools. You can explore it here. Your Canva give us a lot of choices here depending on what you want to create. So it's just right here for education, sheets, documents, or whiteboard presentations for social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or whatever you need to do. There's a lot here. You can also customize your own size here, but you can just simply type in here what you need. So we want to make a YouTube banner, therefore we're gonna type in here YouTube banner. So it gives us a lot of templates here. There are free version. If you want the pro version, then you're going to upgrade your account to pro. We don't need to think of the exact size of a YouTube banner because this is a ready-made template. The size is already into 2560 by 1440 pixels. So you can choose the templates or you can just create your own. Let's try to make our own banner. So we're going to find our color. All right, here we go. So let's go to elements here. Let's find computer. Okay, graphics. Then this is it. So we don't want this one to appear like this heavy color. Let's just adjust the transparency. All right. You can adjust the size of that. And then next to that, let's go to shapes. Oh, shapes already appears here, so we can just use this one. So we can also adjust the color of this one. And let's just duplicate this. I want this shape to have a gradient color. Here it is. You can change the color right here. Make it lighter. Just adjust the color depending on your preferences. So I think that's all good. Let's find some designs. Slash line. You have to make sure that everything goes here would give you what you want. Slash lines appear with frames, so you have to choose the graphics. You're gonna find what design do you prefer. So I'm looking for this one. Yeah. This is a pro, but there are a lot of free versions here. You can adjust it. You just simply Control plus D on your keyboard. We don't want to repeat what we did. So we're going to just simply copy this one. So if we're going to copy this one like that, so everything will be copied there, including the computer, including the other shapes. So what are we going to do here is to lock the other images or graphics that we inserted. So if you click the image or the graphics, you'll see here some elements here, lock, duplicate, delete, and there is some other here in the three dots that will appear if you click it. But now we're going to lock it. And then we also have this one, lock, and the other shape. Now we can group this one. Just highlight everything and then group. Then you can now copy that one. So you can use Control C, Control V, or you can simply duplicate. So click and then Control D. Here you go. You can zoom out for you to make sure that it is in the right place. Now we want our photo to appear here. So let's insert frame. You're going to really look at here because as you type in here frame, it's all graphics. Make sure that it is frame. Okay. What are we going to do here is to go to uploads and find our photo. Put it there and the frame will crop it to circle directly. Now we don't want this one to appear as colored. So let's just click the image and then click edit and go to filters. So let's just open the filters here, see all, and we want it to appear like black and white. All right, it's just right here. Here you go. If you want your image to have borders, you can also click this one and click it right there. Adjust the stroke. What's next is our YouTube logo. Copy and paste here. All right. Next one. Now I want like and subscribe icon to appear here. So let's just find subscribe. Let's go to graphics and then find what you like here depending on your preference. So I choose this one and then adjust. Canva also will give you the perfect alignment that you need like this one. Now we want to make a little bit of separation from these two. So let's just go to slashes. You just have to imagine what do you like and what can you type in here to give you the exact graphics or images that you like. Or yeah, change the color. I want it all in black. And let's make a little bit of this side. And this one would be lighter. So I think that would be all good now. We're ready to download our YouTube banner. Let's just go to share. It should be in PNG and click download. So it's now downloading. Okay, while waiting for the download, we're going to go to our YouTube account. If you open your YouTube channel like this, you can simply click the customize channel and it will give you directly this one. Let's just simply click upload and then click our YouTube banner. That all right, it gives us information that it's viewable on TV, on desktop, and on all devices. Okay, click done. Next one is click publish. So let's try to see our YouTube channel now. Let's refresh. All right, there you go. We already have our YouTube banner. So that's it for today's video. If you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to keep updated for my new uploads. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!